everybody, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm so sorry I've been gone for a month or so. It's just been very busy. I did start my online store, my website, so I do apologize for being gone for so long, but I am back. I'm back with a really good one because I know you guys love these videos. So obviously if you've seen the title, you know I'm going to be unboxing the Jeffree Star mystery box. And I'm also gonna open my Ipsy bag. I have not opened it. This is the one for like Halloween month and all of that, so I'm excited. I hope you guys stay tuned. Keep watching, comment, subscribe, like. If you're interested in any of the pieces that I'm wearing, they are from my online store. So for example, like all my bracelets that I'm wearing, everything that I'm wearing is from my online store. I will be linking it down below, but nothing. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright guys, so I'm going to get started with the Ipsy bag. It came in this little cute black drawstring bag with the green, like the lime green drawstrings and the lips, like the vampire lips. So the first thing I see is this 3-piece set, brush set, and it's MOTD Cosmetics. It comes with the bronzer brush. Let me go ahead and open it and see. Guys, I get so many full-size brushes that I have all my brushes here, and then I have this drawer full of brushes. This is the Cheeky With It brush, and they're all like a gold, very pretty, full size. Next thing I got was another brush set. This is Lovecraft and Beauty. So it comes in a little packaging like this, and it comes with 5 brushes. So they look like that. They're very beautiful. They have like a black and white design. I love this. I love this set. It's really pretty. So, and these are for the eyes, as you can tell. Blending brush, shader brush, a liner brush. So these are for the face, and these are for the eyes. And then I have the little card, which says Pretty Wicked, October 2021. And then it just gives you, like, you know, the little information and stuff like that. As with every bag. This is the Douch, D-O-U-C-C. It's the Posh Powder Palette. It comes like that. Let me see how it looks. It feels really heavy, guys. Oh wow, very nice black packaging. And then it has like the shade names in the back. You can see right there. And guys, I do apologize that my light, it's a little bit bright. It's just, it's very dark outside and I am filming. So then they're all shimmer, they're champagne, different colors. So if you can see there, very pretty. I'm gonna leave this one for a giveaway, just because I have so many like highlighters and powders and all of that. So this one, stay tuned, this is for a giveaway. And then this was the one from last time. That one's going in the giveaway as well. And then I do have the Gold Fatten MD. This is the Solution Mist RX. It's a facial mist. And then, alright guys, so that's how it looks. That one's also going into the giveaway, just because I have a drawer right here full, right there, of face mist and all of that. And then the last thing I got was a brow pencil. It's from Araceli, and it's a soft black, which that's what I use, ebony or black. I use the Kylie Cosmetics one, so it comes with a spoolie at the end, and then it's closed, so I'm not gonna open it because I'm still using, you know, the Kylie one. But as you can see here, the most exciting part. But yeah, that's what I got in my Ipsy bag. It was a pretty good one, especially because, you know, full-size brushes, which I am keeping. And like I said, everything else, like this one and this one, will go in the giveaway. So I have 3 items so far for a giveaway. Now guys, let's get into the box. So I did obviously cut it open just to save time. So it looks like that. And then obviously the first thing I see, it's the red packaging. And it's the Weirdo Artistry palette. It looks like that. I'm sure you guys have seen it everywhere. It's packaged very beautifully. And I like the sticker. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. It does have bubble wrap on the inside, so I love that. I'll go ahead and use that here. This is gorgeous. I love this. the matte black packaging with like the 3D lettering. And it's a mini palette. Oh guys, this is gorgeous. I have so many palettes. You can see all the palettes there. This is stunning. It goes very well with the Halloween theme. So that's how it looks. Very like, obviously like dark. There's only one shimmer shade. Everything else is matte. I do love this for like a dark, a smoky eye. That's gorgeous. I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the little protector back on it. So yeah, that was the first item. I still feel weird talking to the camera. It's been so long that then I see like the tissue paper. It came like that, but let's see. I got the Jeffree Star Cosmetic lip scrub, and this one is in Witch's Brew. Obviously the black packaging. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Ooh, I love this. Very dark and like grungy. I love like the matte lid with the red. And it's green. That smell reminds me of something, but I don't know what it is. I don't really like it, to be very honest. Not my fave at all. But whatever, more for the collection. I have all the other ones here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is my 5th one. All right guys, so I was saying I didn't like the smell of that. It smells very, very weird. Next thing I got was the gloss, and it says 6 feet under. So let's see what this is. I don't think I have this one. So let's see. Am I the only one that struggles opening this packaging? Oh wow, like super glittery, like gunmetal, like I don't even know. I do like the lid though. The packaging is gorgeous. Oh, it smells delicious. Oh, so it's alright, so it's not full pigment. Obviously it's gloss, duh, but it's very glittery, like extremely. I don't know if you guys can see that. Super, super glittery. Right there. Very pretty. I do love the smell though. It makes you want to eat it. So now let me go ahead and clean this off. But yeah, look, even when you clean it off, you can see like grayish tone, grayish blue tone. Alright, so that was the second item, the gloss. I'm gonna go ahead and just put it back in the packaging, and I'll add it, you know, to the collection with the other ones. So let's see. Guys, let me know if you got the box. Let me know if you got it and what was your favorite thing, or if you didn't, just because you didn't like it. Alright, so I got 2 lip products. I got the Trap, and this one is in Dominatrix. Alright, so the Velvet Trap. Packaging, and like I said, it's Dominatrix. That's not even focusing, is it? Yes. And then it looks like that, so like a dark brown color. This is gorgeous. I don't know if I have this one. I know I have one other one. This is Medieval Kiss, something like that. So this is a brown shade. Alright guys, so that's the brown shade. It's freaking gorgeous. I thought I wasn't gonna like it, but it's a matte brown shade. I absolutely adore it. Like I said, it's called Dominatrix. Is it? Got Unicorn Blood, which is very popular right there. And I'm pretty sure it's like a deep. Oh wow, this is gorgeous. I don't have this one. Oh, it's very, very pretty. Very deep color. I love that. So it looks like that. Very, very pretty. I love it, especially now for like the fall. Alright, so those are 3, 4 like lip things. Oh wait, there's another one. Look, all of that was in the black tissue paper. And then I got Widow. It's like one of the bullet. Oh, it's a lip balm. I'm pretty sure I probably have this one already. So it's like that black lip balm, which I'm pretty sure it's just has like a little hint of color. Yeah, it's not fully pigmented or anything. It's right there, so you could like barely see it. Just has like a hint. All right, so those are 4 lip, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lip products so far, and the eyeshadow palette. And then I see this, which I'm pretty sure is a bag. I think I saw this one on the website. This is so cool. Looks like a bat, black, and it has the orange logo for Halloween, so black and orange. That's exactly why I wear black, and then orange lipstick. Oh, it's a cosmetics bag. I thought it was like a bag. No, super cool. So cosmetics bag. Pretty sure you can fit all of this in there. Palette. Yep. So far everything that I've gotten is in the bag. Really cute. Very different cosmetics bag. I love it. Very different from anything that he's ever done. Then I got a pink packaging. It comes like that. Let's see what this is. I hate ripping up packaging when it's so freaking cute. Alright guys, so we were talking about the pink packaging, and in there I got the blood sugar. Beautiful red packaging, as you all know, with the red, and then it has a little clasp, and then when you open it, it looks like that. Very gorgeous, very stunning, reddish, pinkish tones. Really, really pretty. Do I have this one? Alright guys, so by the way, I did not have this one in my collection, so I'm super, super excited about this one. And then I see this big boy. And then this is open here for nudes. So this is the minis, all the nude minis. Super excited about these, super, super excited about these. Because you can use these for your purse, for traveling. And literally you can take all of them, you can take 3, 4, since they are mini. And they're not gonna take up much space at all. Looks super gorgeous. So it comes with I'm Nude, Birthday Suit, Top Shelf Christmas Cookie, Hidden Hills, Dominatrix, which I got the full size there, Family Jewels, and Tasty. So I think this is a good idea for like Christmas presents. You can even buy one and like separate them in like stocking stuffers and stuff like that. So yeah, that would be a great Christmas present. You can even divide them between a couple people. And then last thing, it's a t-shirt, size small. And then he always has t-shirts. I love it because I already have a couple, and I thought it was gonna be, well, maybe the big box got a hoodie. I love this. Very pretty. So it comes with a purple, like spider web, everything in the back, and then the little logo in the front. I'm gonna totally wear this for sure. I wear all his hoodies and all the shirts that I've ever received from his mystery boxes. And then guys, that's all. There's nothing else in here. I do see this. It says Jeffree Star Skin. After years of formulation and testing, the skincare line you've always dreamed of is almost here. So Jeffree Skin coming soon, which, you know, has a little QR code, which is super exciting, guys. Super exciting. I can't wait for him to come out with it and see, obviously see the packaging and try out the formula and things like that. But yeah, so I got the full-size palette, I got the lipstick minis, got the makeup bag, the eyeshadow, well, I got 2 eyeshadow palettes, full-size and mini. I got 5 lip products and the t-shirt. And this was, pretty sure this was a deluxe. Let me see what box this was, just before I say anything else. Let me see. And I just got it today, guys. So that's why I wanted to film. Yeah, this was a deluxe size, and then I got the small because of the t-shirt. But it was a fun box. Obviously the lip shades and stuff like that is not stuff that I would wear on a daily basis. And I don't know, maybe I expected other types of things. But it is a mystery box, and basically you just grow your collection with them. I'm super excited about the palettes. Makeup bag is adorable. The shirt, obviously all the little nude lipsticks, I can use all of them, give them for gifts, you know, pick and choose. But nonetheless, Ipsy bag was good, and the Jeffree star. Like I said, guys, I do have already products set aside for a giveaway. I still want to get a couple more just to make it, you know, at least 2-3 winners. So let's see how that goes. But that's the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I have missed you guys. Like I said, comment down below, you know, what other videos you would like to see, or any ideas that you guys have, or just to say hi. I really miss you guys. I can't get over how beautiful and dark that is. Beautiful brown deep shade. I love that. For sure gonna be wearing that color. So yeah, I have to get back into makeup. Like I said, I've been working so much that I'm barely wearing makeup. Head over to my Instagram. I have a lot of pictures and things that I post on a daily, as well as my TikTok. I'll leave everything down below. But thank you so much for watching. Bye.